Hi guys, welcome to Turkish Center channel. In this channel with my friend Muhammad, we'll teach you the Turkish language completely. We will share 2 long videos on Saturday and Tuesday and short videos on all days of the week. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's go! Lesson 7. Home items. Learn vocab related to home items.
Aksı, aksı,
Coat hanger.
ampul, ampul,
Light bulb.
sünger, sünger,
Sponge.
kibrit, kibrit,
Match.
tirbuşon, tirbuşon,
Bottle opener.
külük, külük,
Ashtray.
mendil, mendil,
Tissue.
konserve açacağı, konserve açacağı,
Can opener.
makas, makas,
Scissors.
mum, mum,
Candle.
çakmak, çakmak,
Lighter.
tuvalet kağıdı, tuvalet kağıdı,
Toilet paper. Guys, lesson is over. Now let's practice in the comments.